Thanks for coming this morning. My name is Ted Turner. I'm the regional president for Atlanta here for Epcon. I would like to welcome you all to the Courtyards at Bailey Farms groundbreaking event. This groundbreaking is the next milestone to facilitate and promote our 55+ active adult lifestyle.
Single family homes, luxury, all those things on the sign kind of tweaked my interest. So I've been watching this as the subdivision has come on out of the ground. So as soon as the sales office opened, I dropped in to see Eileen.
My name is Jasper Watkins. I'm the Gwinnett County Commissioner for District 3, and I'm proud to be here today in reference to the Epcon subdivision. That's luxury ranch-style homes for 55+ is going to be a great asset to the community.
The future homeowners are looking for lifestyle here, for that 55+ active adult lifestyle, which we will provide with all the amenities that will be in the community.
And I want to thank Epcon for bringing in this concept of 55+ in this style that really cultivates and keeps the character area intact.